time is it? Late.
What time is it? It's after.
10:20.
Okay. Tell me everybody what we've been doing today.
Playing golf. Playing, what else?
How many,
we cleaned.
How many toilets did I clean today? One.
Dozen.
How many beds you made today?
Dozen.
Why are we so old when we having to work this hard?
That's just the way it be sometimes.
Oh, no. So, little company running lean on tax. Can't get anybody to work with us. And when they do, they don't want to do things our way because we picky. So.
And then when normally good tech has car trouble.
So.
Who does it?
Yeah.
Us.
So two 65-year-olds. Don't even talk to me, you little 20-somethings. Two big old 65-year-olds working their patooties off for. Listen, we started at 7 this morning. It's 10 now, so that's
10:20. Yeah.
Okay, 10:30. So how many hours is that in one day?
A bunch.
That's what we pulled today. And guess what? For our reward for doing this today, we get to do it all over again tomorrow. So for any of our hosts, if I'm a little snippy,
don't call tomorrow.
No, not a good idea. Have I got a rag down my blouse? We're gonna leave it at that.
Save it.